Hey everyone, today's topic for discussion is how to add keywords. Tips for optimizing and drafting your search term. Number one, a separate word with spaces, as you can use space. Number two, do not repeat the words in the search term field. Number three, does not need punctuations, JCK, colon, semicolon, dash, etc. Number four, does not need stop words such as a, and for by of with, and so on. It's wastage of space. Number five uses singular or plural noun for both. Number six, you can use all lowercase. Now let's check search terms that you cannot use. Number one, temporary statements such as new or on sale now. Number two, your brand or other brand name. Number three, profanity, abusive, or offensive terms. Number four, ASIN. It may suppress your listing. Number five, subjective claims such as amazing, cheapest, best. If you find it informative, then share it with others.